Make sure there is enough space on both sides. Also, make sure there's enough space for your car to exit. Move forward slightly while checking the space available to turn. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the left. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. Align your steering wheel. Check your side mirrors and glance over your shoulder to ensure there's sufficient space. Back up slowly while looking over your shoulder. Turn your steering wheel to the right and exit, adjusting as needed based on the available space. Straighten your steering wheel. Good job!